The Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated sports watches of the year. With each release, Garmin has consistently pushed the boundaries of fitness tracking, outdoor navigation, and smartwatch technology. This time, the excitement is even higher due to several rumors and leaks that have been circulating in the tech community. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge tech, the Fenix 8 is definitely on the radar. Screen rumor. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8 is the potential introduction of an AMOLED screen. If true, this would be the first time Garmin has included this type of display in the Fenix series. AMOLED screens are known for their vivid colors, sharp contrast, and exceptional clarity. This would be a major upgrade from the traditional memory and pixel, MIP, displays seen in previous Fenix models, which are great for outdoor visibility, but lack the richness of an AMOLED display. If Garmin includes this feature, users can expect a more immersive and visually stunning experience, making it easier to read stats and notifications in all lighting conditions. Size. Another interesting detail about the Garmin Fenix 8 is the expected size options. It's rumored that Garmin will offer the Fenix 8 in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm. This follows Garmin's tradition of providing different size options to suit a wider range of users. The smaller 47mm version is ideal for those with smaller wrists or who prefer a more compact watch, while the larger 51mm model is perfect for people who want a bigger display and more on-screen data. Offering these two sizes ensures that the Fenix 8 can cater to different preferences without sacrificing functionality or performance. Launch. The Garmin Fenix 8, along with the rumored Fenix E model, is expected to be officially launched at IFA 2024. For those who aren't familiar, IFA is one of the biggest consumer electronics events in the world, held annually in Berlin. It's a key event where companies showcase their latest innovations and products, making it the perfect stage for Garmin to unveil its next-generation sports watches. With such a major event as the backdrop, expectations for the Fenix 8 launch are high. Fans of the brand and tech enthusiasts alike are eagerly awaiting what Garmin has to offer this year. In addition to the Fenix 8 rumors, there's also speculation that Garmin might discontinue its Epix series. The Epix line was known for its AMOLED display and advanced smartwatch features, but with the Fenix 8 potentially incorporating an AMOLED screen, Garmin might see less need for a separate Epix series. If this turns out to be true, it could mean that the Fenix series will absorb some of the features that made the Epix stand out. While this would mark the end of an era for the Epix, it could also streamline Garmin's product lineup, making it simpler for consumers to choose the right watch. Pricing. Now let's talk about pricing. The Garmin Fenix 8 is expected to start at around $699 for the standard version. While this price might seem steep, it's consistent with Garmin's pricing strategy for its high-end sports watches. The Fenix series is known for its durability, advanced features, and reliable performance, which justifies the premium cost. If the rumored AMOLED display and other upgrades make it into the final product, that price tag will likely seem even more reasonable for those who are serious about their fitness and outdoor activities. In summary, the Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting sports watches of the year. With its rumored AMOLED screen, multiple size options, and the potential release of a more affordable Fenix E model, there's a lot to look forward to. The expected launch at IFA 2024 adds to the anticipation, and the possible discontinuation of the Epix series could signal a shift in Garmin's lineup. As we get closer to the official release, more details are sure to emerge, so be sure to stay tuned for further updates.